Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the target scene and minimizing changes to geometry. This protects your layout. Once done, use File, Link, and pick the source. Blend, then drill into Objects or Armature to select the rig object. You choose Link, not Append, because linking maintains a single source of truth. Make sure to place the rig in a new collection for clarity. Before proceeding, freeze transforms on the source if possible so the pose and scale import predictably. Once the rig is linked into your scene, you create a library override on the armature so you can tweak constraints and drivers locally. This preserves the external source while allowing edits. Then, link or append the mesh you want to drive, preserving vertex group names that match bone names. Make sure the armature modifier points to the overridden armature. Then parent the mesh to the armature using automatic weights or existing groups. This binds skin to bone while keeping source integrity. You finish by testing poses and playback. If deformations are off, apply scale and rotation to both mesh and overridden armature, then recalculate normals and reevaluate the armature modifier order. Once satisfied, save a new local. Blend while keeping the linked source unchanged. If something breaks, one key troubleshooting tip: verify bone names and driver targets. Mismatched names or driver paths to the original linked data prevent override.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.